Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Vtiger AdminLTE Bootstrap 3 to Bootstrap 5 admin upgradation. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates of friends. Also, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therishpost.com. This year, it's 8th birthday, 8 years old, and my email, WhatsApp number, and Upper code as well. And also, you will get multiple free things on my blog as well, like admin dashboard templates, e-commerce templates, Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Smarty, PHP, WordPress, and so on. All are free, of course. Now, back to them. See, guys, this is my admin LTE Bootstrap 5 that I have implemented in Vtiger CRM and works well. The homepage dashboard works well. See, the UI and scripts all works perfectly. Guys, dark and light view works well. The charts, all the scripts just work perfectly. And after that, I will add more pages as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of Vtiger work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I can do any kind of admin dashboard upgradation as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.